Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a while, but today we bought from Rodem slime. And this package is very old. I ordered it a while ago. And I'm just opening it. It's been maybe longer than 4 months, but they gave me a haichu, some borax, a care card, and then they also gave me a free 3-ounce slime, which is super nice. And I got this DIY clay. I barely remember what I got. And then I got this one. Let's do this one first. Kitty pudding. Oh, wait. Change of plans, we're gonna go with the mooncake slime. It has a cute little mooncake pie. And fun fact, I have a gecko and I named her Mooncake. Let's smell. It smells so good. Well, this is a huge chunk of clay. It's very deactivated, and that's probably because it's been sitting out for so long, but I have activator. I think it's from Slime with Corn. I'm not that sure though, but we're just gonna reactivate the slime. It's my fault, not their fault, because I let it sit for way too long. I kind of forgot I had it, but I think it's like maybe a glossy slime with like some clay in it. It does smell so good. Like, I'm not even like that close to it and I can already smell it. It's so nice. So satisfying to mix it all in. Needs a bit more. Still a bit sticky for my liking, so I overall really like this slime. It's like just so fun to like just have in your hand and like play with it. It's so easy to make bubbles and to inflate. I definitely recommend this one. Let's go on to the next slime. Next, we have kitty pudding. The labeling is so cute. You get this cute little baggie of charms. It looks like fall. And then you get this super cute little clay kitty. It cracked a bit, but again, that's probably my fault because I let the package sit for so long. But let's see the slime. Whoa. Well, let's get a smell. It smells, I don't know how to describe it. Almost like sweet, like pudding. Well, duh, the name. But it's like so nice. I love the way it smells. Then there's something in it. A chunk of styrofoam is in the slime. I don't know if like, oh, another chunk of styrofoam. I've seen styrofoam in their slimes before, so I think that's on purpose. And if you've watched one of my other videos, I also did one of like these clay kits, and the base, I was obsessed with the base in that other video, and I'm obsessed with this base. Like, it's actually so nice. I might just like go on their website right now and see if I can buy another one. Like, it feels so nice. I love it. It's like almost like Jello in a weird way, but not like Jello. I'll be right back to inflate it. So I inflated the slime. It's still pretty sticky, but I hope the clay will help it. I've added a ton of activator, but I mean, it's been like 5 months, so it's okay. The clay smells kind of bad, but I think the slime is actually scented banana. It smells amazing, by the way. And look at all the little glitter. That's so cute. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the clay piece on. I'm gonna work fast so it doesn't like sink, hopefully. We're gonna go around adding the little sprinkles. It's already sinking. And then we're gonna add the little feather, the little flower, the little chunks of styrofoam. There we go. Kitty pudding. How cute. Let's take these charms out. And 3, 2, 1. It's stuck to me. Guys, okay. Whew. Wow. Looks so cool. It feels so nice. I don't know which one I like more, the beginning texture or this one. It definitely feels like a clay slime because of the clay. It's a lot less sticky and a lot less like jiggly. It's like so like soothing. I feel like both of these slimes you can just like play with when you're like having a stressed day or like when you're busy and you just want to relax. That's like the same thing, but yeah, it's a great slime. I absolutely love this one. 10 out of 10, I definitely recommend. Let's go on to the final slime. It feels so nice. I don't know which one I like more, the beginning texture or this one. It definitely feels like a clay slime because of the clay. It's a lot less sticky and a lot less like jiggly. It's like so like soothing. I feel like both of these slimes you can just like play with when you're like having a stressed day or like when you're busy and you just want to relax. That's like the same thing, but yeah, it's a great slime. I absolutely love this one. 10 out of 10, I definitely recommend. Let's go on to the final slime. And now we are gonna open up our extra slime and oh my gosh, how cute. The reason why I actually really love Rodem Slime slimes, they might be like one of my favorite companies to buy from, is not only because like their slimes are amazing and great, they also have like super creative themes that like I don't really see any other slime shops do. And they give out like a lot of freebies. Like that's super cool. This slime is like a little bit more stringy, but I think if I keep playing with it, it should get better. I think mainly because it's been sitting for 5 months. It smells almost like lavender in a way, or like flowers, more like perfumey. It's also so pretty. I think it's like more of just like a glossy slime, more like just like a regular slime, but it's super nice and I really do like it. There are like these like little like crystals or whatever. They kind of hurt though sometimes, but besides that, there's nothing really bad about this slime. I really like it. I think it's so nice that they included this one. So Rodem Science, if you're watching, thank you so much. And if you came to the end of the video or you watched the video, thank you so much for watching. I should be back with more videos, hopefully. And yeah, let me know which one was your favorite and make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.